Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some cars that I bought. The first one, we're going to unbox another compact case. Sorry that I didn't record for this one. But it includes Baja Bison T5. We're going to unbox the 1949 drag Merc. Then the Mazda RX-3. Today's raining, so yeah. I'm also joined with my brother. He's going to open the compact case.
This is the compact case. I'm gonna open it. It comes with a Baja Bison T5. Right? And I'm gonna open it.
Can you do it?
Maybe.
Let me help. Oh yeah, by the way, he is from the Hot Wheels Green Speed series. There's the artwork. He is number 7 out of 10 in the series. Very good. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll attach this.
But brother,
What?
what Hot Wheels are you gonna put in here?
Easy. These 4.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm going to put the recent cars in the compact case. If you haven't noticed my previous video. Oh god, this is so hard. There we go. Load that there, that there. And there. Perfect. Now my background looks like this. It is very long, by the way. Like, I need to zoom out. There. Here's the Baja Bison T5. Really nice paint job, I gotta say. The blue on here feels really nice. Although this is made of plastic, it looks really good. Here we can see the decals. Rally El Segundo 23, Baja Bison T5, Sony. What does that say? What does it say? I don't know. It has the Hot Wheels logo there. Number 44. BB. It also has the Hot Wheels logo there with the EV, which means electric vehicles. Has golden rims. 2 spare tires on the back. Speakers, I guess. You can actually see the inside there. Same thing on the other side. But yeah, overall a cool car. Now next we're going to unbox the 1949 drag Merc. He's from the Hot Wheels Rolling Metal series. He's number 2 out of 5. Here's the artwork. And I guess this is the new packaging because Baja Bison T5. Right here, this one has the glow, but this one does not.
Has the glow.
Yeah, a really weird word. So here we go. Ooh, this is shiny. It's like chrome, but not that glossy. It has the texture. It has the exhaust pipes from the back. It has flames on the side, black and red flames with Hot Wheels logo. HW, which stands for Hot Wheels, number 33. These are the side mufflers, the silver rims. It has the grille in front with the lights not being painted in, with engine on the middle, on the hood. And on the other side, same thing. It has the spoiler back on the back. Interestingly enough, here it is licensed by Ford. So I don't know if this car is actually a Ford car, but I guess it is. On to the next car, which is the Mazda RX-3. It's from the Hot Wheels Speed.
Brother, I
What?
want to unbox it.
Wait. It's from the Hot Wheels Speed graphics. There's the Hot Wheels logo. Really nice artwork right here. It's number 4 out of 5 in the series. Here's the cars you can get. 1999 Honda Civic Type R EK9, Range Rover Classic, Porsche 914 Safari, Mazda RX-3, which is this one, and the Big Air Bel Air. So let's unbox it. Nice art. The road right there. Oof. This car is so good.
But it's tiny.
Yeah, true. Compared to this, almost the same size. Here we have the car. It's a red car, basically, but with black and white stripes. My bad. Going all over the car. The front grille with the logo. Here's the tires with the sponsor, mothers, polishes, waxes, cleaners. What does that say? It says Mazda. My bad, guys. I am a bit sick, by the way. These are the taillights, rivets down here. Same thing with the sponsor, mothers, polishes, waxes, cleaners. Same thing on the other side. Black stripe next to a thin white stripe. So yeah, that's basically it. These are the cars that we unboxed today. So yeah, tell me if you want to see another unboxing video or a review video, and I'll do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. For watching Ofegio. This is a thank you for you all for watching this video, and see you next time.